Who's hot, who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop the blue drop, who jewels got pop, who mostly doji down to the blue top. The same old pimp, mace, you know ain't nothing changed but my limp. Can't stop till I see my name on the blimp. Guarantee me shells for the level up. You don't believe I'm on the world, nigga, double up. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Model Glamour here. As the shirt states, how y'all doing? How y'all been? So let's get right into this slayage here. So this unit is being brought to us by none other than Outre, my friends over there, and I have her in the style Amanda. Let me tell you a little bit about Amanda. She's from their Melted Hairline collection, and she has that frontal hairline effect, baby hairs included, pre-attached with elastic band, HD transparent lace, and I have her in the color DRFF2 / ginger brown. It's a hot color out there that everybody looking for, that almond spice. Sold out everywhere, so I had to settle for this one. Not too bad, but that almond spice, that thing is nasty. So anyway, so these are the other colors that she comes in. That's that almond spice I was telling you about. The almond spice, this dark card gives the color no justice. Okay, and she comes in Java Falls, buttered pecan, cinnamon wine, creamy toffee, honey blonde, and ginger brown, the color that I have. So that's what she looks like in the back. I don't know what she looks like back here. I will say out the gate that this, I don't know if it's coming from me cutting the lace or whatever, but this unit is a straight shutter. Straight shutter. Let me show you the evidence. The evidence. Straight shutter. This was after I cut the lace. Probably before. It was shedding before. But let me tell you that part. So yeah, so I didn't lay down any baby hairs. I'm not really into that. So you have to like play with her to get her to do what you want her to do. You can get that little swoop right there. And she has a lot of layers. And to get the layers to stay in space, to stay in place, you probably can use some got to use spray to make the hair stay like in place like you want her. So yeah, I was trying to get her to act right like that, but she doesn't want to cooperate with me. Probably I can use some spray and stuff to get her to do all that, but who knows? I might end up selling this unit, but I doubt it if I end up selling this unit, since I done added tint spray to the part and everything like that. But anyway, but this is her. She's cute. You have to play. You have to play with these units to make them your own. She's steady shedding. Yeah, I tell you about that. She's a shedder. No tangling, but she's a straight shedder. And I hate that this unit is shedding like that, because the unit is so cute. You just gotta play with her to get her to lay like you want her. Just do it like that. And you can do this side like that, so I don't be looking all crazy on you. She's nice and soft. Kind of reminds me of that, I think that Nisha 202, but only thing that Nisha 202 is some kinky natural 4C hair. But this is, you know, some synthetic, very soft. The hair is very soft. Like, she has 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, that adjustable waistband. It's not adjustable, but you know what I mean, right? It has the regular normal adjustable straps, but she has that comes with that waistband to make it fit flush on your head. So yeah, so this is her on the right. This is the hair on the right. And this is her on the left. I'm getting pretty warm in here with all these lights and all this hair. And this is her in the back. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this review. Let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. I put all the links for where to buy her and things like that. If you can find her, if she's not sold out everywhere. But I know that almond spice color is sold out everywhere. But you may be, because I bought this one from Hair to Beauty. That's where I got this one from, Hair to Beauty. And I believe I paid $38 for her. So yeah, I'll link all of that down in the description. Hopefully she's not sold out. So, okay. Thank y'all for your continued support. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Thank you. Love y'all much. Smooches.